Hello everyone, Enrico from Clicktrust here. So in this video today, I want to show you a couple of ways to connect your Google Ads directly to your AI so it becomes your AI assistant. You can ask direct questions in this case, we're going to use Claude, but you can ask direct questions in Claude about campaign performance, about your data in Google Ads, and you can have your personal assistant to help you making campaign optimization and data analysis. So there's a couple of ways to go on about this. Number one, N8N. For those of you that are not familiar with N8N, it's an automation platform. We're not going to make anything complicated today. All you need to do is basically you're going to have to create an MCP node. You're gonna click on add node and then select the MCP server trigger node, and then here for now you don't have to do anything. Just all you're gonna need later is this URL here. Once you have your node, you're gonna add a tool, and then we select Google Ads. It will be like this pretty much, Google Ads, and you select the Google Ads tool, and then in here all you have to do is add your credentials. Obviously I'm already connected here, but otherwise you need to add your credentials, and it's going to need a client ID, client secret, and developer token. So where do I find this? In order to get your client ID and your client secret, you're going to have to go in Google Cloud. I'm not going to go into much details about this. It's not complicated. There's a few YouTube videos that explain in details how to do it, but I just wanted to show you that here you have the client ID, client secret, and you can copy this 1 and 2. You're going to paste them in client ID, client secret, and you do not want to forget to take your redirect URL and then paste it here to authorize it. The next thing you're going to do is enabling the Google Ads API inside of Google Cloud. So here I already have it enabled, but otherwise you'll see a button saying enable, and then you click on enable. You go back, and basically you're gonna have a pop-up button that is gonna let you connect directly to your Google Ads account, and this is pretty much it. So all I want to do here is resources, campaign, and then get many, select my manager client ID they're gonna find in Google Ads, and select the client customer ID they're finding Google Ads. Oh, oops, I forgot to mention something, sorry. The developer token, your developer token is inside Google Ads. You find it here, and then you go into admin, API center, and then your developer token is here. Once this is done, I'm not going to talk about GA4, but once the Google Ads is done, then remember I said the only thing that we need here is the production URL. So we copy the production URL. You go into Claude. If you're on MacBook, you just click on command comma, and then you have access to the settings. If you're on Windows, you can go on File and then Settings. You go into the developer tag, you do edit configuration, then you're gonna have this popping up. You click here, you open in text editor or whatever you have access to, and here you want to paste the exact text in the blog, but basically you want to paste this here, and then here you want to paste your URL. So you're gonna have to change nothing here, just pasting your URL here, save, close, Claude, and then relaunch Claude, and then now, oh sorry, this is for another MCP that I'm working on, and then go in my chat and say what Google Ads account do you have access to? Before launching my prompt to see if I have my MCP connected correctly, is it's right here, N8N. I don't have them enabled. I use the other MCP they're gonna show you in a second, but here you enable all the tools, and then you'll have access to Google Ads and Google Analytics, which I have in my N8N. but here I'm currently not using them. I'm using the other one that I'm going to show you in a second. As you can see, launch a query to see what clients have access to, and then it just gave me some sort of summary of the account types that I have access to. It says that you have access to approximately more than 200 Google Ads accounts across various clients and businesses. Method number 2 is by using the Google Ads MCP created by TrueClick. This is even more simple than this. What we want to do here, there's only 3 steps required. Step number 1, we need to download Node.js. We go here, we download Node.js, click on download. Once it is downloaded, we're gonna need to go on this other website, here, to get our GPT token. We're gonna click on login for Google or for Microsoft, and then once this is done, there's gonna be a GPT token that appears. And once you have your GPT token and you have Node.js downloaded, you go back into Claude. You go back into your developer tab, in the settings, developer, and then edit configuration. We're back here, and then again we go on text edit, and then the one that we're gonna want is this one here. We want to paste this one here with our token here that we have copied from this website I just showed you. Once this is done, again, you close this, you close Claude completely, you relaunch again, you relaunch, and then now you will see that before we had our NA10, and now we have this one here called Google Ads. That has access to, you're gonna have to enable this, and it has access to all account, and then you can ask all sorts of questions. If you're interested in more content like this, check out our generative AI for PPC trainings on Clicktrust.be. Thank you.